Let's skip all of this hello, welcome to my channel stuff. Let's go straight to the point. If you like fresh cheese and if you like spicy, don't go away because this recipe is just meant for you. As per usual, I just need to show you the ingredients really quickly. You will need fresh cheese, sour cream, of course salt to taste, and ground paprika, spicy. And this version of paprika or chili, if you like, semi-grounded. I don't know if you can see it. Like, look. So that's about it. And let's get straight to the point. Just put the cheese in the bowl. Look. Okay. This is 400 grams of fresh cheese. I'm just gonna show you quickly what kind of cheese this is. Like up close up. Look. In Germany, it's called Körnige Frischkäse. I don't know, I think on English it would be fresh cheese. If you can find something similar, that would be good. Now put just 2 teaspoons of the semi-ground paprika or chili. I don't know in your country what is this. On Serbian, it's tucana paprika. That's on Serbian. On English, it's some kind of semi-grounded paprika or chili paprika or something like that. And you need also equally 2 teaspoons of grounded spicy paprika, a little bit of sour cream, just a little bit. Because the cheese is not dry, then you don't need a lot of sour cream. If the cheese you buy is a dry version, then you will need more sour cream, and that's about it. Everything is to taste, basically. I will need that much, about 1 full teaspoon. And of course, salt to taste. This cheese is actually a little bit saltier than normal, so I just put, yeah, that much. That's good. Now just combine everything together, and that's about it actually. And I'm going to show you something. You can see how grainy it is because of the cheese, because that's this type of cheese. This is that kind of cheese that is grainy. But if you want to make it more spreadable, you can use this thing here. Look, I need to just move the camera a little bit so you can see. Wait a second. Up. Yep, a food processor. If you want it to be more spreadable. I'm okay with this, but actually I really like it more when this does its job. I'm going to show you what's the difference. So remember this, and now we will put it in a food processor and you will see the difference. Let's open it up and then just put the mixture in. Wait a second, I need to. Okay, I'm looking at the camera to see if you can see everything. Everything's fine for now. Okay. Put the whole thing in. Okay. If you don't have a food processor, you can just leave it the way it was, the way it is actually. Okay. Now, moment of truth. I'm kidding. I made this 100 of times. It's finished. Let's see how it looks above the food processor. I already tried some. It's really good. Ooh, it's spicy. It's spicy, but it's supposed to be spicy. And you're not supposed to eat it alone. Anyway, you can see the difference. If you remember a minute ago what I showed you, I said remember. Look at this. It's so much more spreadable. Look, that's about it from me. I showed you the difference. Look, it's really good on sandwiches. It's really good with meat. It's really good actually for a lot of stuff. So anyway, I don't want to bore you anymore. And if you made it to the end of the video, I hope you liked it. I hope you try it. I hope you write in the comments what you think about this. Anyway, I wish you a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye. Wait a second. I totally forgot to tell you what you should do with this, how to store it when it's done. Basically, just put a lid on it and just put it in the fridge. And of course, it can last as long as your sour cream and your fresh cheese can last. So that's about it. Bye.